Cooking rice on the stove really isn't as difficult as you might imagine. And I'm not talking about that minute rice, which, in my experience, to make good quote-unquote minute rice, takes more like 15 minutes. But that's a story for another day. You can find an abundance of tutorials online about how to cook rice on the stovetop with added ingredients like salt and butter, but I enjoy plain rice. When having a meal with rice as my starch, I often begin with simply a mouthful of rice. Its natural flavor is appealing without additives. To cook stovetop rice, basically, all you need to do is mix 1 part dry rice and 2 parts water in a pot. After bringing the water to a boil, turn down the heat and simmer for about 15 minutes. I usually cover the pot, but leave an opening to let out a fair amount of steam, since I enjoy a fluffier, drier texture in the manner I've grown accustomed to eating in Asia. Successfully cooking rice requires one to master the liquid element. Too much water, and your rice will be soggy. Let out too much steam, and it will be hard and crusty. Trial and error are often the best instructors, and after a few times, you'll grasp the nuances for preparing it the way you like best.